So my loves, let's create this animal print nail design together. So today's nails is very easy and simple. So as you know, we'll first apply our base coat, okay, and then we cure it for 60 seconds. This is what is given after curing it. And then we're going to begin with this gel polish, this shade of is it nude here? This shade of nude or brown, shade of gel polish. We'll apply it and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds. So guys, we're applying it on the first two fingers and on the pinky finger, which is the last finger, okay? Yes, so that just watch the video and then you understand. So after curing it for 60 seconds, we are reapplying it again. That's we are double coating it, okay? You apply it so that it will give it that perfect pigment or perfect color, just for it to come out well. And that is what we're going to be doing for this 3 fingers. Like I said earlier, today's video is actually very simple but very beautiful, okay? So we apply it or we recoat it, yeah, and then we're going to cure again for 60 seconds. Always cure, guys. And for me personally, I always cure each finger before I go over to the next finger, okay, so that I will not avoid mistakes, or just in case it falls from my hand or my hand mistakenly touch it, I'm not going to start wiping it off and start reapplying again and stuff like that. So I always make sure to cure each finger before I go over to the second one, okay? So this is what is giving, and then we're going to be applying this shade of nude, which is actually our favorite shade of nude color because it's very light, okay? Especially when we're doing our French tips, I mostly use this shade of nude, okay? So yes, we are going to be applying this shade of nude, and then we'll cure for 60 seconds. I will go over to the next step. So like I said, we cure for 60 seconds, and this is what is giving. Very beautiful, guys. Always trust the process, okay? So now we're going to be applying our matte gel on these last two finger that we coated. That's this lighter shade, okay? We're going to be applying the matte coat on only the 2 fingers, okay? Yeah, and this is what is given after curing your matte gel. This is what is going to give you, okay? So to do our ombre, we're going to be using our powder palette, eyeshadow powder palette. And guys, as soon as I open this palette, I've already seen the color we're going to be going with, and which is this one. And yes, it came out perfectly at the end of the day. So I'm going to be using our makeup brush. This is actually my makeup brush. I don't actually apply makeup, guys. Not as if I don't like it, but I don't know how to apply makeup yet. So yeah, they use my brush, they do my nails now. Yeah, so just blend it, guys. It's very easy and very simple. Just keep dapping to your satisfaction, just the way I am doing it on the video. And guys, quick one, please, when you are applying your matte top coat, make sure your application is smooth. As you can see, mine is not actually smooth. That is why it's giving me this rough look. As you can see, look closely. As you can see, it's actually rough. So make sure you apply your application very well. Your matte, your application should be smooth. Okay, as you can see, this second this second finger is actually more okay than the first one. It's not as rough as the first one. Okay, so please take notes. Okay, so that your work will be as perfect as possible. Okay, so yeah, you dust off and voila, this is one way to get your ombre design, your aura design. Guys, I've given you guys so many detailed tutorial on this channel, okay, on how to do all your aura design and ombre design with pigment powder, with gel polish, and then with this powder palette, of which the powder palette is what we are doing now. Okay, so you dust off, and we are using our black gel polish with our dotty paint to give us that tiger print or leopard print, you know, and voila, that is what we did for today's tutorial. And guys, stick to the end of this video. I always tell you guys to always stick to the end of my videos, because every minute is actually very important for you. It's very detailed. Okay, every seconds of my videos is always, you know, dropping a point. So yeah, at the end of the video you will see the reason why I say you should stick to the end of this video. So yes, I'm just using my dotty pen, to draw this design. As you can see, very simple, very easy, kind of two arc facing themselves, and then, or brackets rather, does not have to really look like bracket, does not have to, you know, be facing each other. Just go with what, you know, what your instinct tells you to do. And as soon as we are done, we're going to cure it for 60 seconds, and then yes, we're going to be applying our top coat. Okay, so we apply our top coat, we cure for 60 seconds. So guys, after going for 60 seconds, I was not really satisfied. You know, I felt it was a bit scanty. Yeah, so that is why I said you stick to the end of this video. So I decided to add, you know, these dots to fill up the gaps, and I think it actually came out more beautiful this way. So I still use my same black gel polish and my dotty pen to just drop few dots around the brackets and design. Okay, and yeah, it actually came out beautiful. And yes, I was happy that I decided to, you know, to fill it up. Okay, so please always take note, this is what you should do before applying your top coat. Okay, but I've already applied my top coat. Before looking at it again, I was like, it's not really giving the way I want it to give. Okay, so yes, do this before you apply your top coat. So as soon as I done, I reapplied the top coat again, only on these two. Okay, only on these two fingers that I, you know, we did the design, and this is what is giving. Guys, tell me in the comment section what you think about this video. Just tell me, rate this look from 1 to 10. It's actually very beautiful, if you ask me. Very simple and very beautiful. Okay, and at this point, I believe you've subscribed to this channel. I believe you've liked this channel, you've this video, and subscribe. Please guys, you subscribing and you liking this video is you telling YouTube to recommend this channel to other viewers. Okay, and this is how we package it for sale for our clients. All right guys, see you in our next video. Okay, bye bye.